Ever stared at your Ally Bank app, feeling utterly bewildered trying to locate your account number? You're not alone. Finding it can sometimes feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But fear not, because today, we're going to demystify this process and guide you through the easiest ways to uncover that elusive number. Let's dive in. 1. The Ally app. The most straightforward and convenient way to find your Ally bank account number is through the Ally mobile app. It's designed with user-friendliness in mind, and locating your account number is a breeze. Open the Ally mobile app and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts tab or a similar screen that displays your account overview. Look for your checking or savings account. You'll typically find your account number listed right there, often alongside your account balance and other key details. If you're unsure where to look, try tapping on the specific account you're interested in. More information, including your account number, should appear on the subsequent screen. 2. Ally Online Banking. If you prefer using a computer, the Ally Online Banking platform offers a similar experience. Log into your Ally Online Banking account using your credentials. Locate the Accounts or Summary section. This is where you'll find a list of your accounts. Hover your mouse cursor over the specific account you're looking for. In most cases, a tooltip or pop-up window will appear, displaying your account number along with other relevant information. Alternatively, click on the account you want to view. A detailed account summary page will load, and your account number will be prominently displayed. 3. Account Statements. Your Ally Bank account statements are another reliable source for your account number. These statements are typically available for download or viewing within your online banking account. Download or open a recent statement for the account in question. Your account number is usually printed prominently on the statement, often at the top or within the account details section. Keep in mind that statements are generally available for download or viewing for a specific period. If you need an older statement, you may need to request a copy from Ally Customer Service. 4. Ally Customer Service. If you've exhausted the above methods and are still unable to locate your account number, don't worry. Ally's customer service team is readily available to assist you. You can reach out to them via phone, chat, or email. Be prepared to provide your name, date of birth, and other relevant information for security verification purposes. A friendly customer service representative will be able to quickly provide you with your account number. 5. Tips and considerations. For enhanced security, consider storing your account number in a secure location, such as a password manager or a locked document. Never share your account number with anyone you don't know or trust. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Legitimate institutions like Ally will never ask you to provide your account number through unsolicited emails or phone calls. If you suspect any unauthorized activity on your account, contact Ally Customer Service immediately. Visuals. Throughout the video, use screen recordings to demonstrate the steps within the Ally mobile app and online banking platform. Visually represent account statements and highlight the location of the account number. Use relevant graphics and animations to make the video more engaging and visually appealing. Engaging elements. Incorporate a friendly and conversational tone throughout the video. Use clear and concise language, avoiding unnecessary jargon. Add a touch of humor or relatable anecdotes to keep viewers entertained. Consider using background music or sound effects to enhance the viewing experience. End the video with a call to action, encouraging viewers to subscribe to your channel for more helpful content. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.